Hello my beautiful subscriber, my friends and our lovely fans. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. So friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends and my lovely viewers, we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling and based on the feedback you are submitting. So my dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today with a new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of tulle skirts designs and blouses for women. These skirts and blouses designs and colors are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible. And friends, these are the styles of skirts and blouses every woman wants to wear and needs in his wardrobe. And friends, I have built a collection of these stunning articles over a past few weeks and I am extremely happy with my wear. So friends and my lovely viewers, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, whether you want to wear one for a night out on the town, during a shopping spree with friends or on a hot first date, these stunning designs are a one-size-fits-all solution for your fashion needs. And in the meantime, you own one of these stunning and gorgeous designs and you will love wearing it. Friends and my lovely viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. My dear friends and my lovely viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of tulle skirts and brilliant blouses for women. And these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and fans, you can freely ask anything about fashion related queries like what outfit will suit you the most in current season or which outfit combinations are trending these days to stay updated. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Love you all guys.